Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, with a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with a nice gripped running board, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. You got side view camera, spotlight, and turn light indicated. And moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, flat fold storage system with a carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt, some USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course, you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O Sound System. Got your lights, gas cap, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 14 kilometers. We got this lovely leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select that is collapsible with storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets. You do get the mobile office package with this vehicle, which allows you to have an interior work surface. You do get your normal storage underneath as well, which is pretty handy. We got our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. And looking at right here, we do have a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, storage on the dash as well, your park sensing that you can turn on or off, hazards and traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through, different camera angles. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, vehicle settings, all that jazz. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB57117, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.